Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get enough iodine. First, understand that iodine is a vital mineral for your thyroid gland, which produces hormones regulating metabolism and growth. Most adults need about 150 micrograms of iodine each day. However, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, your daily requirement increases to approximately 250 micrograms to support both your health and your baby's development. It's crucial to meet these needs for optimal well-being. Many foods naturally contain iodine, making it easy to incorporate into your diet. Iodized salt is a simple and widely available option, providing a reliable source. Seafood, such as cod, shrimp, and tuna, are excellent choices, offering substantial amounts of this essential mineral. Dairy products like milk and yogurt also contribute, though their iodine content can vary. For a powerful boost, consider seaweed varieties like nori and kelp, which are exceptionally rich in iodine. Beyond food, supplements can help ensure adequate iodine intake. Many standard multivitamin supplements contain the recommended daily amount, offering a convenient way to meet your needs. However, always speak with a healthcare professional before starting any high-dose iodine supplements, as excessive intake can be harmful. Be aware that cooking methods can sometimes reduce iodine levels in foods. Also, check labels for plant-based milks, as some are now fortified with iodine. It's important to monitor your body for signs of iodine deficiency, which can include symptoms like persistent fatigue, unexplained weight gain, and a swollen neck. If you suspect a deficiency, consult your doctor. They can perform simple tests to accurately assess your iodine levels and recommend appropriate actions. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in diverse iodine sources is key to ensuring consistent and healthy intake over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.